City Hall has admitted that laxity and inefficiencies in operations at Mbagathi Hospital led a mother, Immaculate Alma, to trek with her dead baby all the way to City Mortuary. The admission came on Monday after public outcry following reports in the dailies that Ms. Alma was forced to walk from Mbagathi to the Kenyatta National Hospital KNH police post and later to the mortuary after the infant allegedly passed away at the facility. Charles Garrick, Nairobi's acting health minister, said that the hospital's lack of a utility vehicle, the presence of security guards who were not vigilant and poor information flow forced the woman to walk. Mr. Garrick said his statement was based on an incident report by the nurse and the clinical officer who handled the baby. The report, he said, identified the gaps in service delivery at the facility and was reviewed by the hospital's management team. They have an inefficient customer care desk, non-vigilant security at the gate and a not-so-comprehensive death notification form, and they lack a utility vehicle, he said during a meeting at the hospital on Monday. However, Mr. Garrick denied reports that the infant was admitted at the hospital and later died there. He said Ms. Alma arrived at Mbagathi at about 9:45 am last Wednesday and that the baby was pronounced dead on arrival by a pediatric clinical officer. For the record, Immaculate and her baby were never admitted at Mbagathi and her baby did not die here. In cases where a person is dead on arrival, the hospital does not admit but instead requires the kin to file a notification with the police, he said. He explained that in line with the hospital's policy, she was referred to police to file a notification. Despite the lack of the utility vehicle, Mr. Garrick said, the hospital was ready to facilitate Ms. Alma's transport but she left before the arrangements materialized. A nurse at the hospital offered to assist Immaculate to organize for a transportation to the police station and onward to the mortuary. However, while the hospital was organizing for a vehicle, the mother was discovered to have left with the body of her child.